Hello, everyone. Welcome to this brand new forecast on gold. So, my overall bias on gold is that we're still bullish. So, we broke structure to the upside on this area. And if we're going to use our Fibonacci tool, then you can clearly see after we've broken market structure from this area, then price action gave us a retracement to our optimal trading entry area. The OTE level is between the numbers of 70 and 78. So now that price has given us a break of market structure from this area, and we already got most of the retracement into the OTE area. Let me just delete the Fibonacci tool as you can barely see anything on the chart. So now that we got the retracement into the optimal trading entry area, so for next week, I will still be hunting the bullish move, the bullish reversal to bring us to 2100. So what do I want to see? So maybe if the market opens, I want to see the daily candle drop below previous day low, and I want to see immediate rejection from previous day low with a reversal pattern. If I don't see those confirmation, I will not be looking for buys on the previous day low. But once we see the confirmation below previous day low to buy, then we can buy on the previous day low to target previous week high. But let's go to the 4-hour chart to refine it further. On the 4-hour chart is basically the same thing. So we're basically waiting for price action to trade on the previous day low, and once we go on the previous day low, we would want to see something like this. And once we see this bullish breaker block on preferably the 30-minute chart or the 50-minute chart, then we can look to buy gold, and our target can basically be the previous week high. Let's go on to the 1-hour chart. So going on to the 1-hour chart, we can clearly see that structure is clearly bearish for now. Why do I say the structure is bearish? It is because we broke a minor structure from here to the upside, and then we broke structure to the downside here. So we created some kind of bearish breaker block. So just in case we don't get the drop at market open. So just in case price keeps going up, then this area right here would be a good selling zone because it is in our bearish breaker block zone. So I would want to look for sells in this zone, and I would also want to look for sell in these zones. So this is basically the second scenario. If we do not get the straight drop at market open, and instead we are going to the upside, then you would be wanting to sell from this area to then target the previous day low, or you would wanting to be sell from this second zones to target previous day low. But remember, the first thing to do whenever price is in your zone is you need to look for confirmation. The confirmation that we look for is nothing more than a breaker block. Either it's a bearish one or a bullish breaker block. But all you need for confirmation is you need to see a breaker block. So I think that this was it for the weekly forecast video. Well, this is also my 1-hour zone. So if we do get a straight drop, it doesn't matter from where. This is the zone where you would be wanting to look for longs to eventually go long and target the previous week high. And this was it for my forecasting. Um, join my Telegram channel for daily updates on gold, and leave a like behind and subscribe and share my channel to your family and friends if you think that it is helping you with your trading. Until next week.